Hi, everybody. So, today in reading, we are going to actually be watching something and we are going to be taking notes on what we watched. So, in writing this unit, we are going to be writing books about the American Revolution. But in order to write books about the American Revolution, we need to make sure that we know a lot of information about it. Okay, so we are going to be doing a lot of research. Okay, we're going to be watching videos, reading articles, books, looking at primary sources, everything we can do to kind of gain as much knowledge as we can on the American Revolution. So I figured we would start today by watching an episode of Liberty Kids. Okay, as you watch, okay, and you can see here I have the directions up on the screen. As you watch Liberty Kids today, I want you to take notes on what was happening during the time of the American Revolution. However, I want you to focus on the events that are happening in the show and why things are happening. Okay, your notes can be in the form of bullet points, but you can edit this document however you want to take notes the way that you would like to. Here I put some little hints on what to look out for. So some important things to focus on as you take notes. Why were the Massachusetts Bay Colony so upset? Who were the Sons of Liberty? Why did they throw tea overboard? Why is England angry at the end of the show? So those are some things that I want you to think about as you're watching it. Okay, so I just want to show you what it is that, or how it might look as you are watching this and thinking about what's happening and why it's happening. So I actually just fast forward a little bit, but watch as I do this work, okay?
Gentlemen of Boston, the hour has arrived. Please. Gentlemen, you know me as Sam Adams, neighbor and friend. Hear me now. Parliament continues to treat us with ill will. First, the Sugar Act raised our taxes. Did we have...
So I'm going to stop there because I'm already thinking about some important events that are going on. So I'm going to go to my note page, okay? And here I'm going to write, so I have to think about who is involved. So it seems like the leader of that meeting was Sam Adams, right? So Sam Adams was leading a meeting of some sort, and they were angry with Parliament. Okay, Parliament is pretty much like England's government. Okay, the people that make the laws. So Sam Adams was leading a meeting, and they were angry with Parliament. They were angry over the Sugar Act, which taxed them more, right? So that was one reason they were angry, and it seemed like maybe he was going to go on with a little bit more about why they were angry. So as I continue to watch the show, I'm going to continue taking notes on what's happening and why, okay? All right, if you have any questions along the way, I'm here for you. I hope you enjoy it. All right, we'll chat later.